First we're gonna go to the egg whites and start with them. We're gonna use half the amount of sugar, which means 3 tablespoons about, in the egg whites. We're not gonna put it at the beginning, we're gonna put it after a while, because putting it in the beginning can break the egg whites fluff. I'm putting it on a high speed. Making sure that I use the same direction all the time, because if you start using the other side, it might break the foam too. Now I'm going to very, very slowly add half of the amount of sugar. You can see that once it's almost ready, or ready actually, you can see that you make waves with the mixer and they actually stay. That's a good indication to know that the egg whites are ready. I'll show you. See, it's hard.